In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to TradingView charts on Zerodha Kite. Whether you're using the web platform or the mobile app, this guide will help you seamlessly integrate TradingView's powerful charting tools into your trading routine. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Kite account. Head over to Kite's web platform or launch the mobile app and enter your credentials to log in. Once you're in, we need to change a setting. If you're on Kite Web, look to the top right corner where your user ID or name is displayed. Click on it, scroll down to find chart settings, and choose TradingView. For those using the Kite app, tap on your user ID, then the settings option will pop up. From there, select TradingView and you're all set on the app as well. Now, it's time to open a chart. To do this, pick a stock from your watch list. Simply click on the stock name and then hit the chart button. This action will open up the TradingView chart interface. With the TradingView charts now in front of you, you're ready to harness its capabilities. Let's talk about saving your layouts and templates. Within the TradingView chart, you'll notice the option to Select Layout in the top right corner. Click on that to explore different multi-chart layouts. You can dive deeply or start with a basic layout, managing up to 8 charts at once. After you've chosen your preferred setup, arranging the charts with your desired instruments is straightforward. Simply click on individual chart windows and add whatever instruments you wish. Once you're happy with how everything looks, the next step is crucial. Click the Save icon. This will ensure your layout remains intact for future use. If you wish these custom settings to load every time, you can set it as the default layout. Just click on the Save as Default Layout icon. This handy feature makes your setup available across all your devices effortlessly. Moving on to our next topic, saving drawings and templates. Start by applying your drawings or indicators to the chart. After you've made your changes, tap the Save icon to capture these annotations. For a more seamless experience, consider enabling the autosave feature. On mobile, you'll find it under your user ID, while on the web, it's within the settings. With autosave on, your changes and drawings are instantly recorded, reducing the hassle of manual saves. A few important notes to keep in mind. All your layouts and templates are stored in cloud memory, ensuring they sync across all devices when you log into your Zerodha account. It's also crucial to note that saved layouts on the Kite app are instrument-specific, meaning if you save a layout while viewing a specific stock, it only applies to that stock. You will need to save separate layouts for each. Lastly, always double-check for unsaved changes before heading out. If a blue Save sign appears under the layout name, click Save to lock in your work. And there you have it. Embrace the full power of TradingView charts on Zerodha Kite to elevate your trading and analysis capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!